To address the E05 error code on a Bosch dishwasher, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The E05 code indicates a problem with the control board's wash arm diverter circuit. Common causes of this issue include a faulty control board or a faulty power module. To resolve the problem, start by resetting the control board. Switch off the breaker, unplug the dishwasher, and wait for 5 minutes to allow the control board to reset. Then, turn the breaker back on and plug in the power cord to see if the error code has been cleared. If the issue persists, inspect the power module by shutting down the machine at the breaker and removing the necessary panels to access it, which is usually located on the right side toward the back of the machine. Check the power module for visible damage. And if it's damaged, consider consulting a technician for replacement.